TR408R with side rotary axis. Working size of TR408R with side rotary axis is 1300 multiplied 2500 multiplied 200 millimeters. The working size of a rotary attachment is 2500 millimeters long and 400 millimeters diameter. It configures Italian HSD 3 kW air cooling spindle and TigerTech operating system. This model is two functions in one, not only applicable to processing and engraving common advertising and wooden materials, but also processing stereoscopic materials, meeting different demands and offering convenience to different customers.